Even for me also.
Okay. My screen is visible. So Monica, just let me know my screen is visible or not.
Yes, Shweta. Actually, your voice is breaking and the screen is sharing, but nothing is visible. It's black screen only.
Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah, I think it's now visible. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Today's topic is string. String is nothing but is a minimum or minimum one letter and multiple letter involved in a double quote. So, like for example, this. So types of string. String itself a string class, string buffer class, string builder class, and string tokenizer. So out of these string classes, so these three are present in the java.lang package. It's a by default package. And a string tokenizer is present in the java.util package. So it's a legacy class. We are not using this class. So string class, there are two ways to create a string. We can create a string by using a new keyword like this, and we can directly uh, create the string like string str equals to new keyword. So this is without using new keyword. It's without using new keyword, and it's using new keyword. Sorry, it's without using new keyword. So string is a immutable by nature. That means we cannot change the string value. If once we declare the string, so we cannot change that value. So that's why a string class is a immutable by nature. String object will be created in string constant spool in heap area, and in string ww double equals to operator perform the reference based operation, and equals method perform the content based operation. So I will show you the one example like how it's string gonna create and where it's located. Okay, so this is our memory, and inside memory there are two location like heap area and stack area. Okay, so this is our stack. You can see here stack. Okay, and this is our heap area. So when we create the string without using the new keyword, so that time that object will create inside the string constant pool, and that located in the heap area. String constant pool. Okay. So if we use here like string str equals to directly A, B, C. So this object created inside the heap, string constant pool. Right here. And when we create object like this without using the new keyword, like string equals to string. So this object is created inside the heap area. Okay, it's better for understanding. I can also create another object where so this is a string constant put. Whenever we create the object without using the new keyword, so that object has been created in the string constant pool. And whenever we create the object by using the new keyword, so that object created inside the heap area. So which object created without using new keyword? So like this demo. And I tried to create another object like this. String str3 equals to demo. Yeah. When I tried to create the same object in string without using the new keyword, so that time compiler will check the demo object is already present inside the string constant pool or not. If that object is not present inside the string constant pool, then it will create the that object or new object. But if this object is already present inside the string constant pool, so that time it will not create same object. So that time str3 it's refer str2. So the str2 and str3 both the reference are same. Okay, I will give you one practical example. So, or we can see here. So here I can see double equals to operator. It's perform the reference based operation, and equals method is perform the content based operation. Okay. So let's see here. And when we create the object without using new keywords, so we cannot change that. So that's why we say the string is immutable by nature, because it's immutable by nature because for the security purpose. So we use string for email ID, password for login. So login, whatever you use, the email ID, password, it's a credential information. We cannot share that information. So that's why we use string, and that's why string is a immutable. So here, anyone, so if you have any doubts, you can ask. You understand what's going here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we can create the string object in two ways. So now we can create one string str equals to, suppose we can take Rahul, person name, and another is string str2 equals to Gita. str str2. Okay, here both are the different value. So in string constant school, both object are will created. So str1 and str2. See, Rahul and Geeta. So if I try to create another string like str3 equals to again Rahul. Okay. So in this case, if I print str3, it will do the Rahul. But if I try I want to see the str and str3 is both are created separate object, or it's str3 refer to str. So that time you can str equals to str3. So it's what's the output is true. So it's mean compiler it's not created the another object. str3 just refer to str. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, they are one equals to new string. Success. So now you can tell me this object, where this object will create, in which area?
Heap memory.
Yeah, in
Heap memory.
heap. Yeah, good. And if I also say, and name right, the 4 equals to new string. Success. Is there one? Those two equals to, is there 4? So what will be output here? Tell me. Hello?
I think false, ma'am.
False. Why it's giving the false? Yeah, false, because when we create the
Because
object by using the new keyword, yeah, so that time this object is created inside the heap area. So whenever we use the new keyword, so that time it's every time it's create the new object. Okay, it not refer the existing object.
Here it is passed by reference. That's why I think it is showing false because of object
Oh,
creation.
sorry, I can't got it.
we have to use equals.
I have I have said that it is showing false. I think because as the new object as new is used, so new object is created. So passed by reference is used, and and that's why they are referring to the object, not the original one. That's why it is showing false. My idea is
We have to
uh,
use equals method to compare the data inside it.
Here you can see. So it's refer the existing object in string constants pool, not in heap area. Heap area you can create this with same content. You can create the hundred of object. It every time create the new object, not point to the existing object in heap area. But when we create the object directly, means without using the new keyword, so it first check what's the content. So if that object present in string constants pool, it will not create the again new object. It just refer to the existing object. So that is the difference between new keyword and without new keyword. Okay,
And one
I
thing, ma'am,
think.
as earlier they said, past reference will be exist as a Java is high-level language. References are used mostly in low-level language, and in the rare case we use not in heap. Also, we use in stack. Pass by references in rare case in Java.
What is the use of stack? Stack is used for
That's it,
to
ma'am.
execution purpose, but the object is created inside the heap area, not in the stack area. So
Yes, ma'am.
stack, what is the purpose? Stack is used to only execution purpose. So like when we call the main method, so main method is load at the class loaded time in a heap area. Okay, So, and after that it's come in the stack area. So after that he can check here what's the object is created. So whichever object is created, it's come inside the heap area, and it's check the first in last out. This is the this is the base of a stack. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We also use to perform operations.
Yeah. Stack is only used to execution purpose, not for the object creation. Okay. So the main in string equals method is used. So we can check. So we create the rule and here rule str and str3. So we check it both are same or different. Str dot equals, and we pass str3. So what is the output here?
Now it will return true, ma'am.
Yeah, good. And so we can check str1 dot equals str4. So what is the output here in both cases?
It will return true.
It's written true and it's
True, false, ma'am.
in both cases it's written the true, because equals method is perform the content based operation. In both case contents are same, and in double equals operator perform the reference based operation. Understand? I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
give one false example like str dot equals str true. So in this case, it return false.
False.
Yeah, it given the false. Okay. So this is the very important in string, actually content based operation and reference based operation. Okay. Everyone clear here, your if anyone's have doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. uh, String classes method. So we can see there is a lots of method in string class. So one of the is character add. It's a useful method. So character add method is accept the index number which start from the 0, and it return the that particular character which present in that particular index. Okay. So there is also index of method which accept the character and return that specific index position. So last index of it's same as index of, but index of method it's return the starting index of, and it means it's check the starting letter. So like we pass the e inside the this method, so it count from the here 0 1, so it return the 1. Okay, but last index of method is checked from the last. So if I so like I will tell you, for example, here is success. So in success, if I pass in this here last index of C, so it's not counting from the years like 0 1 2 3. it's starting from here, and this index position it will pass like this C, not this. Okay. Yeah. Same as the contents method is check if we pass the cyber and like success cyber success. So we can pass here the cyber. So it's check cyber is present inside the string or not. It's present, so it return the true. If it's not present, it return the false. Okay. Start with same as it is start with. We can pass the cyber here. It's check the string is start with cyber or not. If it's true, it's return the true. If it's not start with cyber, it will return the false. Same as it is end with two uppercase. So two uppercase method is like it's check the string. If all the string is in lowercase, so it will convert that string in uppercase. If there is some letters in uppercase or remaining are the lowercase, so it will remaining letter convert into uppercase. Same as lowercase and equals. Equals is the important method of string class. And concate. Concate method means like it's perform the merge operation. Like it's combine the two string. Like cyber and success both are the separate, but concat method perform it can join the both string like this. Okay. So another class is string buffer. String buffer is a synchronized class. It's present inside the java.lang package. The string buffer, all methods are synchronized. Synchronized means is thread safe. But as compared to string builder, it's a slow because it's taking a lots of time to perform the operations. And in string buffer, we can create the object only using the new keyword. We cannot create the directly object here. Okay. So string builder is a mutable by nature. Means we can change the value of string buffer. I will write here. String buffer is mutable. And only different is string class have the concat method and string builder have the append method, but both the method working are same. There is a string builder and a string buffer both are same, but string builder is a non-synchronized means its performance is high as compared to string buffer. And we can create the object by using the new keyword. It's also mutable by nature. Okay. So we can create the string buffer for object. So it giving here error because the string buffer is not allowed to create the string directly. So we have to use new keyword. So here, if we use the new keyword in string buffer, so in which area this object will create in memory? Hello, hello, guys, you understand,
Yes,
na?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am. So, go.
So, yeah, please respond. So in which area this object will create? Hmm?
Sorry, ma'am. Not.
Okay. Whenever we create object by using the new keywords, so that time always object is created inside the heap area. Okay. Only in
Okay, ma'am.
case when we create without using the new keyword, so only that time object will create inside the string constant pool. And whatever object created inside the string constant pool, we cannot change that. So that's why it's called the immutable.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. So now you tell me, okay, what's the output here? String buffer equals string constant. For you understand, not get confused, I comment this. Yeah. Now tell me what's the output here.
False and false. Ma'am.
Yeah. Why false? Because it's create the two separate object and not anyone can refer each other. Okay, so that's why it's giving the false. And every time it's a new object created, we can update that object. So that's why it's a mutable. String buffer is a mutable. Okay. So these are methods are applicable for string buffer, string builder. Yeah. You understood now? If you have any doubts,
No, ma'am.
Why buffer is mutable?
yeah, good question. String buffer is mutable because we can it's create the new object or we can update that object. So like,
But in string also we can create objects and but we can't update it. Yes, right.
but a in string we cannot create the same object again and again. But in string buffer we can create the same object in again. So that's why it's a mutable. So I was it's fine. Here you can see XYZ and another is XYZ. I create the two objects. In it we can create these both are separate objects. But if we try to create the same object in string, so it will not create now. It just refer to existing object. And string is immutable because login or for our credential information like password. So that's why string is immutable. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So still, if you have any doubts, so please let me know, and I can send you more questions about the string and some problems like which ask in interview, so you can solve that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly share it in the group, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. And you can solve it
Madam,
yourself. Okay.
madam, once explain again.
Uh, which whole? Hello. What do you not
Yes, ma'am. Once
understand?
explain string buffer.
From starting.
No, ma'am. The difference between string and string buffer.
Okay. Oh, string and string buffer. So their primary difference is in a string, we can create the object in two ways. One is the by using the new keyword, and another is without using the new keyword. So when we create the object without using the new keyword, so that object created inside the heap area in string constants pool. So if we already created a demo object, and we try to again create the demo object, so that's time compiler will check the demo object is present or not in string constant pool. If it present, it will just refer to the existing object, and if the demo is not already present in string constants pool, so it will create the new object. Okay. And string is the immutable. But as compare string buffer, so string buffer, it's only one way to create the object by using the new keyword. So whenever we create the object by using new keyword, so that object, always that object created inside the heap area, and that doesn't matter the object is present or not. So all time it's create the new object. If I want to create the ABCD object in 100 times, so it will create the 100 object for me. Okay, it's, that's why it's a mutable. And string buffer and string, the concat method is different. Actually, in string we use to merge both string, we use the concat method, and in string buffer we use the append method. Okay, understand now? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Any questions? Hello.
No, no, nothing. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, in group I will share some problems. You can solve that yourself. If you stuck on any particular point, you just let in your group. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
When the meet is over,
Yeah, we can leave.